ecoFinish pool. I had a spot pop off on my step and I was wondering if it can be repaired. Also, do you service the Toledo area? If not, how would I find somebody in the Toledo area that installs ecoFinish?
Okay. So the beauty of ecoFinish is, yes, it can be repaired. The difficulty with repairing is there's an awful lot of setup for a little teeny tiny bit of work. There's no simple spot in place repair. It requires kind of a big setup to do. But the good news, it certainly can be repaired. What I would do to look for someone in your area would be talk to customer service directly with ecoFinish and say, who do you have? I unfortunately won't be able to service it and take care of it for you myself, but at one point there was an ecoFinish company in Toledo. I have heard that they no longer have the system. I don't know if someone else has picked it up since or not, but if you talk directly to ecoFinish, they might be able to help you. We do have someone here in the Detroit area that just got this system and is new to it, but they may be someone who could help you as well. So if you talk to ecoFinish and you can't specifically find, and they can't help you find someone, reach back out to us and we'll connect you with the local company here who also has the system. They might be able to help you.